So today we finally have the PIXXO 3D Discord server. I've just started working on this and I've been on Discord for a while, but I've never really made my own server. So this is my first time making a server and I'm still learning a lot of the basics like moderators, admins, and permissions and stuff. So if you guys want to go ahead and check in the link below, there's going to be an invitation to that if you want to join the server. And hopefully you guys will be patient with me while I still figure things out. But I've got some of the basic things on there that we can kind of get started with. So it's just kind of the whole idea about this server is just a place for us to talk about some of the projects that are going on so you guys can have discussions. I've created a help channel there so you guys can help each other out and I can help you out when I get an opportunity to as well sometimes. And yeah, just announcements and stuff like that about what's going on in the channel. And it will also be a good opportunity for me to get some input from the community on certain things. So people have actually been asking me about this for a while. So I thought I should really just figure it out and start making a Discord server. And I think it's just going to be a good idea. And I'm very optimistic about this. And I think it's going to work out well. So once again, that's in the description below. And that's all I have to say for this short little video.